So welcome to the City of Swan. My name's Liam Smart and I'm a Parks and Reserves Officer here at the City. One of my key roles in the urban development team is for water-sensitive urban design and the landscaping and streetscaping of new city assets. The key to the success of any water-sensitive urban design is for it to be low maintenance. So whether you choose to have an option with a high capital cost or even a low capital cost, the trick is for it to have a low maintenance cost. And for whatever you're putting in, for it to be easily maintained. And you look at the success of the vegetation here, it just goes to show that it's working, and in part of that is because it can be easily maintained. Like with other growth councils, maintenance is a big concern for us, just to accommodate all this extra growth. All of our designs are low maintenance parks. This is just simple mowing. We've got native plantings in the garden beds which have very low water requirements. And then we also, where we can, retain mature trees. So that has many benefits, from the heat island effect through to biodiversity and then just shade and habitat. So one of the benefits of having the swale co-located with the park is that it allows you to avoid advanced traffic management that you typically have with a median swale. You'll be able to access the swale from this side of the park. It also allows the maintenance crews to be able to park up their vehicles safely and securely away from the traffic.